This video covers FreeCAD versus QCAD, showing how choosing the right CAD software can transform your design workflow without unnecessary complexity. We'll explore both options briefly to help you decide which fits your needs best. FreeCAD and QCAD are popular CAD tools but serve different purposes. FreeCAD is a 3D parametric modeler, while QCAD focuses on 2D drafting. The core difference lies in their design scope: 3D modeling versus 2D technical drawing. FreeCAD is an open-source 3D parametric modeling software designed for creating complex models with precision. It works by allowing users to build models through a history-based approach, adjusting parameters and features dynamically. Its strengths include a modular architecture with workbenches for various tasks like part design, mesh modeling, and architecture. FreeCAD supports many file formats and offers extensive customization through Python scripting. However, its interface can be overwhelming for beginners and performance may vary depending on system resources. It's ideal for engineers, architects, and hobbyists who need detailed 3D designs and want a free, versatile tool capable of professional-grade projects. QCAD is a straightforward 2D CAD application focused on technical drawing and drafting. It operates with a clean, user-friendly interface that simplifies creating precise 2D plans, schematics, and layouts. CAD excels in speed and ease of use for 2D tasks, supporting layers, blocks, and DXF file compatibility. While it does not support 3D modeling, this limitation makes it lighter and faster for users who only need 2D drafting capabilities. QCAD is perfect for architects, engineers, and designers who require efficient 2D drawings without the complexity of 3D features. Its commercial version offers additional tools and support, making it a reliable choice for professionals focused on 2D design. Choosing between FreeCAD and QCAD depends on your project needs. FreeCAD offers powerful 3D parametric modeling suited for complex design and engineering tasks, but it demands a steeper learning curve and more system resources. QCAD, on the other hand, is optimized for fast, precise 2D drafting with a simpler interface, ideal for technical drawings and layouts. For example, if you need to design mechanical parts or architectural models, FreeCAD provides the tools needed for detailed 3D visualization and modifications. If your work focuses on floor plans, schematics, or circuit diagrams, QCAD streamlines the process with its efficient 2D features. Both support industry-standard formats, but FreeCAD's versatility comes at the cost of complexity, while QCAD prioritizes speed and ease for 2D projects. FreeCAD is recommended for users seeking a free, comprehensive 3D CAD solution, with parametric capabilities and extensibility for complex design projects. QCAD is the best choice for those who need a lightweight, intuitive 2D CAD tool focused on precision drafting and technical drawings. Select QCAD if simplicity and speed in 2D design are your priorities. Both tools excel when matched to the right task.